Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I don't know about you, but I can't get enough Yetis. And that is because they are an amazing quality and they really live up to the hype. So this is a 10-ounce Yeti Lowball and I really love this one. It's the charcoal gray and it is perfect for keeping your cocktails cold or your glass of wine at the perfect temperature, or even just keeping your coffee hot on the way to work. It is awesome. It works so well because it is stainless steel, vacuum insulated, and it really does an amazing job. I love that this one comes with a MagSlider lid, so really nice to be able to easily sip your drinks and to help prevent spillage, and also really love that this is dishwasher safe. So you can pop this right into the dishwasher, easy to take care of, and definitely a durable and well-made product. It's gonna last you a long time. Perfect for taking out on the back deck and having a drink and not worrying about breaking a glass if you drop it or anything like that. You can take this with you anywhere you wanna go. If you need the perfect to-go cup, definitely check out this Yeti Lowball 10-ounce. It's a perfect size, super versatile for lots of different things. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.